Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming for you the second video in a series that I started to film a while back called Product of the Week. You may remember ages and ages ago I filmed a video on the Laura Geller Diamond Dust Baked Gelato. That was the product of the week and I was meant to film them every week from then on, but time is just an issue for me to film, do my normal full-time job, Instagram and Facebook, and just like everything just gets on top of you. So I have only been filming one video a week, which has been the makeup tutorials, and now I'm going to definitely carry on doing this series. I know there's a lot of people that film the like monthly favourites, yearly favourites, or hits and misses and things like that. I'm actually not going to do like a bundle video for them. I'm only going to do one product of each week that I use and use and use non-stop. So today is the second one of that, and I have picked the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm saying product of the week, but this I use in nearly every video. It's nuts. Like, I have such a big eyeshadow collection, and for whatever reason I reach for this palette more than any others. So as you can see, it has so many shades, such a big massive variety. I did actually film this green eye look with it today, which will be online also. I'm not sure if this video will go up before the eye tutorial or the tutorial will be up and then this one. So either way, when it does go live, I'll link it at the bottom or just look out for it. So this I'm sure cost me £37 from Beauty Bay. I got it on the release date of Beauty Bay and I've used it literally 50 times, I swear, and I've used pretty much every colour in here, I think. I've used all these transition shades, I've used the pinks. I haven't actually used these two shades here, I don't think. Maybe not this one, but the rest I've at least used once or twice. I'm actually going to swatch some of these on my arm for you to see just now, because they are just so buttery, so smooth, creamy. They are just gorgeous. They blend so well on the eyes. You can do so many different eye looks with this palette because there is so many different colours. I would say that there's the right number of transition shades for the right number of shimmers. They're gorgeous, honestly, and I very rarely use any MAC Fix Plus or any other sort of mixing medium or adhesive with them. They go on absolutely gorgeous on their own. I feel like I'm not alone here in saying that I like this palette. I know there's loads and loads of people that do love it, but I do see loads of people say that they hate it and that it doesn't blend well, or they don't like some of the shades in it and stuff. And I mean, I don't know, like, and I honestly don't see what they don't like about it. I've yet to find a colour that just doesn't work, honestly. Anyway, let me pop some of these shades here for you so that you can see them. So I'm going to show you these two shades up here, which are like pinky peaches. So that's it there on my finger. Look at that. You can just see how intense that colour is. It's gorgeous. So that's like a pinky peach. We're going with this like cranberry colour right here. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's so nice. Obviously you'll see the green working on my eyes in the last video. I've also used, I'm pretty sure, the purple and the blue in a video. I think I've also used this one in a video. So let me not swatch these colours down here. Actually, I've not used this in a video. I used the Sugar Pill one, so I will actually pop this on my arm. Look at that. Look at the payoff on that on a swatch. And then I'm actually just going to go in and show you this dark purple right here, which I use quite often on myself as well. And it is a matte shade, so they don't swatch the same, but let me show you. Look at that. So intense. And I swear they go on the lids pretty much like this. I got this palette from Beauty Bay, as I said, and I'm sure it was £37, and if I remember correctly there's about 37 colours in it, so it does work out about £1 a shadow. It's nuts, absolutely nuts. I have absolutely nothing bad to say about the price point or the shadows, the colours, the formula, anything. What I do have to say is that I've obviously got the original packaging and it is disgusting. Like, it just gets so dirty. I cleaned this before we started, like seriously, and look at all the fingerprints on it. That's from me doing the swatches the other now, and the back I can't even like look at, honestly, it's so dirty. Just white cardboard packaging, like it's even so hard to clean, it's ridiculous. I don't know what the new one is like, if it is like shiny and easier to clean, but honestly I don't even care how dirty it gets, because I mean at least it shows that it's used. It doesn't matter like how dirty the packaging gets, it's about what's inside, and what's inside is absolutely amazing. So that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you enjoy this little series that I promise I will actually do this time. Thank you for watching. Bye!